Hello students, welcome to our last part of first in agriculture and horticulture. Let's start with our first case of cytoplasmic inheritance in 4 o'clock plant reported by Correns in 1909. Next, first stable product of Calvin cycle is PGA, phosphoglyceric acid. नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट एंड कॉमन स्टेज इन रेस्पिरेशन इज ग्लाइकोलाइसिस, जिसे EMP पाथवे भी बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ समराइजेशन डाटा इज क्लासिफिकेशन. नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट सेंट्रल मूवमेंट इज ऑलवेज 0. नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट यूज द टर्म रिग्रेशन फ्रांसिस गैल्टन. नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट chi square टेस्ट was used by Carl Pearson in 1900. नेक्स्ट first in vitro fertilization in buffalo calf, name Pratham. First year canes of blackberry is called as primo canes. Next, first formal citrus breeding program was started by USDA, United States Department of Agriculture, Florida in 1893. Next, first indication regarding the presence of citrus in China by tribute of Yu. Next, first description of citron with the name Q. Han. First citrus fruit known to European was citron. First literacy mention of lemon as well as orange in Arabian language, the book of Nabatean agriculture. Next, first description of sour orange was given by Albertus Marginus in 1193 to 1280. Next, first European country to grow a small or loose skin mandarin was England. Next, first time pomelo was described in Jamaica by Solane in 1696. Next, first fruit was mentioned by Griffith Hughes in the book The Nature History of Barbados in 1750. Next, first description and classification of citrus species was varieties data back to 17th century. Next, first word watermelon appear in dictionary in early 1600. Next, first seedless watermelon developed by Kihara in 1951. Name the seedless variety of watermelon. Comment the answer in the comment section. Next, first first time word heterosis. Everyone know G.H. Solin 1914. Next, first single seed descent method was proposed by Golden. Next, first technique to detect polymorphism at DNA sequence level is RFLP, restriction fragment length polymorphism. First world paper hybrid Panure 1 in 1971. First introduced rubber from Brazil in 1873. नेक्स्ट ये जो फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस ब्राज़ील था, ये एक क्वेश्चन भी आया हुआ था हमारा रबर बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम में. फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ सिंकोना फ्रॉम पेरू इन टू नीलगिरी हिल्स इन 1860. फर्स्ट टाइम कॉफ़ी इंट्रोड्यूस टू इंडिया बाय मुस्लिम्स इन 1700. मुस्लिम इन्वेडर्स भी बोलते हैं उसे. Next, first apomixis developed by Leeuwenhoek in 1719. Next, first cocoa was brought to India. Cocoa was introduced in India in 1798. Next, first introduction of cashew from Portuguese in 16th century. First germplasm collection of oil palm established in Nigerian Institute of Oil Palm NIOPR. During 1961 to 64. First Vital wine variety released by TNU is SGM1. Next, first commercial production of contraceptive pills, Dioxazine from Dioscorea. Next, first commercial level of production of plantlets in a spice crop achieved in cardamom. Next, first largest seed spice is coriander, dhania. Next, first wilt resistant variety of cumin is Gujarat cumin 1. Next, first cultivated food plant in France is celery, 1623. First quality vanilla is Bourbon like vanilla, which is also known as Mexican vanilla. First time vanillin C8H8O3 was obtained by globally from vanilla. First grade of saffron is also called as Sahi saffron. Next, first viroid disease was spindle tuber of potato. Next, first nitrate fertilizer is sodium nitrate. Next, first mention of potato in India in 1615. First time rice transplanting in ancient literature is Kashyapa literature. Next, first use of Bordeaux mixture. Copper sulfate plus lime is the mixture of Bordeaux mixture. And comment the answer of Burgundy mixture. What is the composition of Burgundy mixture? By PMA Millardet in 1882. Next, first king who encouraged arboriculture, King Ashoka. King Ashoka is also called as father of avenue planting. Next, first botanist adopt Linnaeus system of binomial nomenclature was Roxburgh. Father of binomial nomenclature is also Carolus Linnaeus. First medicinal plant mentioned in ancient Tamil literature is Margosa or Neem. First ARS was started in year 1973 and MS Swaminathan is the first Director General, Secretary of the Government of India. Next, 361. First plum cultivar comes in market, Titron. First temperate fruit comes to market is cherry. Next, first fruit preserved by canning is pineapple. Next, first tea was introduced by Robert Kidd. First transgenic fruit crop is walnut. First successful transgenic crop, pear. Next, first successful transgenic fruit crop being commercially used is papaya. Name the variety. Which variety is commercially used? Sun Up and Rainbow. Both are the two varieties of papaya. In which Rainbow, Rainbow, Rainbow is commercially used as successful transgenic cultivar of papaya. Now next, first agriculture commodity exported from India was grape. Next, first hybrid of mango, Prabhasankar, in 1951, not in 1946, 1951 from Bihar Agriculture University, Sabor. Its cross is Bombay green into Kala paddy. Okay. First hybrid in mango from IARI 1971, Mallika, and Amrapali in 1974. Next, first domesticated fruit and dried was fig. First time drying was done in also fig. Next, first variety of lychee, Swarnarupa. Next, first citrus granulation was seen by Bartholomew in 1934. Next, first auxin was discovered by F.W. Wendt in 1926. First fruit artificially pollinated was date palm. In date palm, hand pollination is also done. First country in is the consumption of vegetable is Greece. First apple scab resistant variety Prima. Apple scab Venturia subinequalis. Causal organism. First time penetrometer was used for determination of fruit firmness in peach berry. Last, first agriculture minister of independent India, Rajendra Prasad. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for this PDF. Join our Telegram channel और लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा। और नेक्स्ट पार्ट मैं क्या बनाऊं या किस आप टॉपिक पे शॉर्ट नोट्स चाहते हैं कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं।